What's going on, you guys? It's Omar back here again with another video. Today's video is gonna be on one thing that I used to hate doing. I hated anytime a little kid would walk through the barbershop or a baby, and I could just tell it was gonna be a hassle the whole time. All right, I'm gonna try to get him to look or sit him on this leg, facing that way. I hated my life before they even sat in my chair the whole time. During the haircut, I hated the end result. I just didn't like anything about it. But I'm gonna try to give you guys some tips that I learned along the way that actually made me love cutting kids, and it's one of my favorite things to do now. And today you're gonna be seeing me cut up Nico here. This is one of my best friend's babies here. He's still not even one yet, and this is actually his second haircut. And as you can see, he's not sitting still 100% of the time, but he's actually not that bad compared to other babies. But let's go right in it and let's talk about some tips, right? Little things that could help you out is I always try to have a setup just for kids. What I mean by that is I try to have edgers and clippers that aren't completely zero gapped. That way, if the kids are moving, you don't nick them, you don't scratch them with your edgers, and it makes it a whole lot easier. Just try kind of playing around with the clippers, maybe running them on your arm. That way the kids know that it's not gonna hurt them. Other tips, I always try to have lollipops. The lollipops, always get them. If I tell them if they sit still, I'll give them a lollipop at the end of their haircut. They love that. Another thing is to, and this is probably one of the most important things, is always be gentle with kids. You don't want to go in there rough-handed, telling them, hey, don't move or sit up straight, because whenever kids see that you're not enjoying cutting their hair, they pick up on vibes. So you go in there pissed off already, hating your life, and you're just trying to rush through their haircut, you're being mean to them. Kids are gonna see that, and then they're gonna give you a hard time. The way they see it is, you give me a hard time, I'm gonna give you a hard time. They pick up on vibes. So try to bring good vibes to the table. Just make sure you have conversations with them. If they're babies, try to have conversations with their parents. Make sure you're smiling. Play music that they like. Even if you gotta listen to Baby Shark 25 times that day, you gotta do what you gotta do. But have patience. If you have patience, you put out good vibes, the kids are going to love that, and then they're going to replicate that vibe, and then they're going to be easy with you. I understand that they're going to move, they're going to shift a little bit, and it's okay. The haircuts might not come out 100% how you want them, but just make sure the parents know that you tried, you genuinely gave it 100%, and they'll be able to understand if their kid is moving. Just remember that major key: have patience, and the kids will have patience with you. I'm not gonna go too into detail and talk for too long. I just wanted to give you guys some just basic ideas whenever you are cutting kids. And you'll see me cutting his hair. I did a full scissor trim cut, so I'm not gonna do a tutorial and try to explain to you guys how I cut with scissors. I do it differently, especially on him. His head's a lot smaller. I gotta hit different angles. But go ahead and don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave comments and tell me what you guys want to see. I'm working on my next tutorial now, and hopefully it'll be up next week. But the way things work around here, I might get it up by January of next year. No, I'm just kidding. No, but hopefully I can get it up sometime next week. And I also got a couple other little projects I'm working on. As you guys can see, the room's almost done. I'm finishing up painting, and hopefully I can show you guys the full room soon. And but yeah, stick around, we got more content coming, highs and lows.
bitsy spider went up the water spout.
That's how you get down. Yes, sir. I'm about to hit it with some J. Cole.